Okay, Rena, this is the fourth part. It is a continuation of the previous one. Daily we have to upload two videos. That is why the paid of videos. It is fourth one. Okay, na matrices. And the problem is I solved up to 34 problems. Continue of 34 problems. 35th is A is Aij m by n, a scalar matrix. You see. 34 is A is equal to Aij. It is Aij. It is n by n only. N by n is a scalar matrix. A scalar matrix. Then trace of A. The trace of A is what? Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means, first of all, it is a square matrix, and it is a, I will write it, a diagonal matrix. You see, A is equal to 5, 0, 0, 6 is there, is diagonal matrix. If it is same, other than the elements of diagonal, first diagonal, the remaining elements are all zeros is diagonal matrix. If the diagonal matrix, all the elements of diagonal is same, it is repeated 5, 5 only, or 6, 6 only, or any k, k only, or any alpha, alpha only, then it is called as the square matrix. Scalar matrix. But here, you see, we are given here where Aij is equal to some k is given. So here it is a k. It is a 2 by 2 matrix. So transpose is the trace of A is equal to k plus k, the sum of elements in the diagonal, 2k only. So if order is 2, 2k. If order is 3, 3k. If order is n, it is a nk. So like that. Okay, now next. That is a trace. 36. This is 35. I'm sorry. 35. 34 is already solved. 36. C transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. Then we have to find C. What is C? On both sides, we take transpose again. A transpose, B transpose, whole transpose. This is C only. Okay, na? Transpose, whole transpose. Cancels, only C will come. It is B transpose, whole transpose. A transpose, it reversed. So again it is B, it is A1. So C is equal to BA. That option is there. You verify that one. The second option. Next, 37 and 39 are simple concepts. You follow it well. So we will go to the 38. 38 is, observe me, capital A is equal to, we are given A, B asked, directly I am writing. It is A square, AB, AC. AB, this is B square, BC. It is AC, BC, C square. Okay, na? Here it is B is 0C minus B. Minus C, 0, it is A. B minus A, 0. If you multiply it, we will get this. A square 0, 0, na? ABC minus ABC. So 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0 will come. Slowly you solve it. It is a zero matrix. Okay, na? Next, 41. Because the 39 and 37 are both are same and a simple problem, you solve it. The matrix is there. It is 1, 2, 3. Not 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 into B matrix is there. It is a B matrix. It is some A, we assume it is B. we get 3, 4, not 34, 3, 4. So what is the order of the matrix B is asked. It is, you see, it is 1 row, 1 row but 3 columns. Whereas it is defined the product. That means there must be 3. The number of rows of columns of first matrix must be number of rows of second. Columns, rows must be equal. And we don't know this n. And here it is 1 row, 2 columns. Okay, na? 1 row, 2 columns are there. 1 row, 2 columns are there. So here 3 cancels. 1 into n is equal to 1 into 2. Therefore n is equal to 2. Therefore B is equal to a matrix with order 3, na? 3 by n. What is n is equal to 2. So this is answer. Okay, na? Like that we solve. Now we'll go to the next concept is determinants. 40 problems were solved, and now we are going to 41st problem. Yeah, it is determinants. Determinants A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. What is the expansion? It is simple. It is A of, it is BC minus A square minus B of this second column. It is B square minus AC plus C of AB minus C square. Okay, na? So it is ABC minus A cube, B cube plus ABC plus ABC minus C cube. So it is 3ABC minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. Okay, na? That is the answer. Let's 42nd. It is 1, 1, 1 A, B, C, A square, B square, C square is there. What is the expansion? If you like that, if you go, it is a lengthy one. Some methods are there. Some rules are there in the without expansion we can. You see, I will apply. Here, the C2 will be changed as C2 minus C1. And C3 also C3 minus C1. Okay, na? That is, the first one is 1 A square is as it is. 1 minus 1 is 0. B minus A, B square minus A square. Okay, na? B minus A, B square minus 1 minus 1 again is 0. C minus A. It is C square minus A square. Okay, na? It is now, here in this second column only B minus A, here also B minus A, B plus A is there. So B minus A is common. In the third column, C minus A, here also C minus A, C plus A. So C minus A is taken as common. So 1, 0, 0, J 1, 1, A square, this is B plus C, B plus A, and here is C plus A. So expansion is B minus A of C minus A of 1 of, determined expansion, 1 of this column. That is C plus A minus B minus A. Okay, na? So it is B minus A, C minus A. Here A cancels, we get C minus. Maybe like that, or it may be in some order. Order means it is changed. It is A minus B. 1 minus here it is B minus C. Another minus, a minus into minus plus. It is in order. A, B, B, C, C, A is order. Okay, na? Like that. And next. Next is 43. 1, 1, 1. A, B, C. It is B, C, it is A, C, it is A. Here also same then. C2 will become as C2 minus C1. C3 will become as C3 minus C1 mode. We are using C1. So C1 is unaltered. What is C2? 1 minus 1 is 0. B minus A. Here AC minus BC. AC minus BC. Okay, now again 1 minus 1 C minus A. Again AB minus BC. So here in this second column, 0 means 0 to B minus C is there. Here B minus C is there. Here also, if we take just wait, AC minus BC na. Just wait. Oh yes. If we take C as common, it is B minus A, C minus A. Yes. If you take C is common, A minus B will be there. So B minus A is common in this column. The third column also C minus A. Here also A minus C if B is taken as common. So C minus A will be there. So here 1, 0, 0 na. But here A, here 1, 1. Here it is BC. Here minus C is there. Minus C. A minus B is there, but we need B minus A is taken as common. So minus. Here also it is minus after taking B. It is minus. So it is B minus A, C minus A, 1 half. Okay, 1 half. It is minus B minus A minus A plus C is there. So B minus A, C minus A, C minus B. Here also same. I am changing, interchanging. B minus, here also B minus C, C minus A. Okay, now? So that is the problem. Next, 44. 44 also same. You solve it with your own effort. I want to solve 45 is 1, 1, 1. This is A square, B square, C square. It is A cube, B cube, C cube. Okay, now 35. Squares, cubes are there. Here also same. C2 will become as C2 minus C1, C3 minus 1. Then it is see 1 A square, A cube. 0, this is 0 now. B square minus A square, C square minus A square. B cube minus A cube, C cube minus A cube. Here B minus A, B plus A. Here B minus A is common. I will tell you. C minus A, C plus A. C minus A of something is common. 1, 0, 0 na. Here it is A square, it is A cube is there. Okay. Here is B plus A then. B minus A, B plus A, B square minus A square. Here, after taking B minus A common, it is B square plus AB plus A square is there. A cube minus B cube, like that one. And also G, C plus A, C square plus AC plus A square is there. Okay, now, like that only. So it is B minus A of C minus A. Only this one, this product is there. B plus A into C square plus AC plus A square. Minus this one. C plus A into this product. The B square plus AB plus A square. You simplify it. After simplification, we will get a simple. Okay, na? Just you solve it now. Okay, na? You solve it, you will get the third option. Okay. Now we'll go to next problem, 46th one. Next, 46th one, a very good problem. 1 plus A, B, C. A, 1 plus B, C. A, B, 1 plus C. Values asked. You see, it is R1 will become as R1 plus R2 plus R3. Not C1, we will take it as C1. C1, C2, C3. Okay, now that implies, you see, 1 plus A plus B plus C, na? C1. 1 plus A plus B plus C. Here A plus 1 plus B plus C. Here A plus B plus 1 plus C. Here is B 1 plus B, B1. C 1 plus C1 is there. Now it is in all 1 plus A plus B plus C is common. Okay, na? Now 1, 1, 1. It is B 1 plus B, B, C 1 plus C will come. 1 plus A plus B plus C is common. Okay, na? Here also we apply R2 is R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R11. Same R1. Okay, na? So it is 1B, see, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus B minus B, 1, B minus B is 0, C minus C is 0, 1 plus C minus C is 1. So it is 1 plus A plus B plus C into 1 of 1 minus 0, minus 0 will come. So it is 1 plus A plus B plus C is a correct answer. Okay, now, like that. Next, I'm going to solve 47th problem. Thirty-seventh one is x plus a b c, a x plus b c, a b x plus c is equal to dash. Not is equal to 0, then x is equal to dash. This determinant is 0 is given. Then what about x value is asked? Here also the same procedure, the previous problem. It is you see by adding x plus a plus b plus c, here b c. Here also a plus x plus b plus c. Okay, na? Here x plus b c. Here a plus b plus x plus c. Here it is b x plus c. Correct? X plus a plus b plus c is taken as common. 1, 1, 1. What I am applying here? Here R1 C1. C1 become as C1 plus C2 plus C3. That is the thing. C1 added C2 C3. Now it is B x plus B B C C x plus C. The x plus A plus B plus C na. It is again we are applying R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. So again here 1 B C 0 0. It is x, it is 0 0, it is x1. So it is x plus A plus B plus C na. It is 1 into x, x square minus 0 minus 0 minus 0. You calculate it. So it is x square of x plus A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Everywhere 0 is there. Okay, na? 0 is there again. That means here the two product of two factors are there. X square is 0 means x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. First one. X plus A plus B plus C is equal to 0. X plus it is A plus B plus C is equal to 0 is given. That means x is equal to minus of A plus B plus C is there. Okay, na? So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus of A plus B plus C is there. So that is the thing. Okay, like that we have to solve the problem. I'm gonna just pause.